Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Dazzle Markers is probably one of the most versatile and vibrant art supplies available today, offering a unique way to add a touch of sparkle and dimension to any creative project, from scrapbooking and card making to detailed illustrations and even temporary body art, making them a must-have for artists of all levels seeking to elevate their work with a touch of magic and brilliance. Number 5. Whaline Outline Shimmer Markers 12 Colors. Introducing our unique outline markers that write in vivid metallic silver, automatically creating a beautiful dual color effect. Experience a new way to add dimension to your creations. Explore a spectrum of 12 vibrant colors, each with a shimmering ink that adds a sparkling luster. These versatile pens work on a variety of surfaces like metal, wood, glass, and plastic. Our specially designed chisel tip ensures fluid and smooth writing with every stroke. The waterproof, stable, and UV-resistant pigment ink dries quickly for a flawless finish. Getting started is simple. Just shake, uncap, and press the tip to activate the ink flow. Enjoy a smooth application that dries fast, making your projects a breeze. From greeting cards and posters to drawing and DIY crafts, these pens are ideal for all your artistic endeavors. They're great for both kids and adults for school projects and more. To ensure the best performance and extend the life of your pens, remember to shake them before use, recap them immediately after, and store them horizontally with the cap end up. What we like? Create beautiful dual color effects with these self-outline markers. The vivid metallic silver surrounded by colored borders adds a unique touch. If you're looking for a way to make your cards, journals, or crafts truly pop with a beautiful dual color effect, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The markers have a fine tip that allows for precise drawing and writing. The colors are vibrant and do not bleed through most paper types. The set includes a wide range of colors, perfect for detailed artwork. Number 4. 24 Colors Super Squiggles Shimmer Outline Markers. Discover a new way to create with these amazing markers. They produce a stunning dual color effect, adding a unique two-tone border to your artwork and crafts. Explore a spectrum of 24 rich, shimmering metallic colors. These shades are perfect for making your creations pop on any surface, light or dark. Enjoy a smooth writing experience with our high-quality, water-based ink. They are non-toxic, odorless, and designed for comfortable, everyday use. Getting started is simple. Just shake and press the tip. Remember to recap and store them horizontally to keep them ready for your next project. From doodling and card making to decorating various surfaces, these markers are incredibly versatile. They are perfect for all your DIY art and craft needs. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is ideal for adults and craft enthusiasts, making it a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, and any celebration. What we like? Get a striking dual color design with these self-outlining markers, featuring 24 rich metallic shades. They produce elegant two-tone detailing perfect for artwork and DIY crafts. If you need a wide array of colors to add eye-catching outlines and decorative accents to both light and dark surfaces, this set is ideal. What people say. The markers are vibrant and have a good flow of ink. The fine tip allows for precise detailing and clean lines. They are comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 3. 12 Colors Shimmer Outline Markers. Discover a vibrant set of 12 shimmer markers. Perfect for adding a touch of magic to any project. Experience the unique double line effect that makes your creations pop. It's unlike anything you've seen before. Ideal for decorating Easter eggs, making beautiful cards, and enhancing your crafts. Let your imagination run wild. Add a special touch to your photo albums and scrapbooks. These markers help you capture memories in stunning detail. Explore a dazzling array of 12 metallic colors. Each stroke brings a beautiful shimmer to your artwork. Simply glide them over your surface for instant, eye-catching results. They are designed for effortless creativity. What we like? These markers offer a shimmer outline effect in 12 colors, perfect for a variety of projects. They are great for Easter eggs, card making, and scrapbooking. If you enjoy adding a touch of sparkle to your crafts and need a reliable set for detailed work, consider these. What people say. The markers have a fine tip that allows for precise drawing and writing. The colors are vibrant and do not bleed through most paper types. The set includes a wide range of colors, perfect for detailed artwork. Number 2. JusArt 16 Colors Glitter Markers. Unleash your creativity with 16 vibrant glitter markers. Each pen features opaque, water-based ink for bright, eye-catching designs. They are perfect for adding a shimmering metallic touch to your DIY projects. Experience a smooth writing flow with a durable 0.7 mm fine tip. These markers are ideal for making precise strokes or filling larger areas. You'll enjoy an enhanced creative experience with every use. Crafted with high-quality, non-toxic, and odorless water-based ink, these markers are safe to use. The ink ensures long-lasting color that resists fading, adding a stunning sparkle to your artwork. Easily visualize your chosen shade with the transparent barrel. The anti-rolling caps prevent them from rolling away, making them convenient to use and store. Remember to cap them after use to keep them fresh. These sparkling markers are perfect for both casual creativity and professional artwork. Use them on glass, wood, stone, fabric, paper, and more, opening up endless possibilities for your projects. What we like? Unleash your creativity with 16 brilliant colors of glitter paint markers featuring a 0.7 mm fine tip for precise strokes. The opaque, water-based ink delivers bright, eye-catching designs. If you are looking for markers that offer excellent control for detailed work on surfaces like glass, wood, or fabric, these are a great option. What people say. The markers are vibrant and the colors are rich, making them perfect for detailed artwork. The fine tip allows for precise lines and intricate designs, which is great for lettering and outlining. They blend beautifully, creating smooth gradients without streaking, adding a professional touch to my projects. Number 1. GOLDGE Dazzle Bib Decorating Kit. Get ready for a fun and creative activity. This kit is perfect for adding a personal touch to baby shower gifts. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started. We've included plenty of bibs and all the decorating tools. Decorating is simple and enjoyable for all skill levels. Create unique and memorable keepsakes with ease. You'll receive 24 plain bibs, providing a blank canvas for your artistic designs. Let your imagination run wild. Use the included stencils for guidance or freehand your designs with the vibrant markers. The possibilities are endless. Make your next baby shower extra special with this engaging DIY activity. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the upcoming arrival. What we like? This is a complete DIY bib decorating kit, perfect for baby showers. It includes 24 bibs, 6 stencils, and 14 markers for a fun, personalized activity. If you're planning a baby shower or looking for a unique, interactive gift, this kit provides everything needed for a creative and memorable experience. What people say. Loved the large size of the bibs as it was great for drawing, plus will have years of use in the infant and toddler stages. The templates were useful though some wanted to draw freehand, but having them included is truly a bonus as many great ideas were their baby bottle, blocks, baby, beach ball, teddy bear, I love mom. Just like the picture, the bibs are all white, which is ideal for people to draw and design on them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.